Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. You know that feeling when you unbox a brand new phone? It's like opening a gateway to endless possibilities. It's like the whole world of tech possibilities just opens up, and you can't wait to dive in and explore every feature. But before you get to experience that fresh out-of-the-box magic, we gotta talk about what happens to the old faithful. That trusty device that's been with you through thick and thin. Whether you're upgrading or just letting go, getting rid of your phone the right way is crucial. It's not just about tossing it aside. We're talking data privacy, making sure the next person or recycling facility gets a clean slate, the whole 9 yards. You want to ensure your personal information stays personal. So, in this video, we're diving deep into the 5 essential steps you absolutely need to take before saying goodbye to that pocket computer you've shared life with. From backing up your data to factory resetting, we've got you covered. Let's make that transition smooth and safe. Stick around, because you won't want to miss these crucial tips. Step 1, and I cannot stress this enough, back up your data. This is the foundation of digital safety. We're talking the whole shebang: photos, videos, contacts, notes, those voice memos you're saving for a rainy day. Every single piece of data is valuable. Think about it. Your phone has basically become this external hard drive for your life. It's not just a device. It's a repository of your personal history. You've got years of memories, important documents, maybe even that winning lottery ticket photo, fingers crossed. Imagine losing all that in an instant. We use our phones for everything now, so backing it up isn't just a tech thing, it's peace of mind. It's about ensuring that your digital life is secure and accessible. There are tons of ways to do this. Cloud services like iCloud or Google Drive, external hard drives, even directly to your computer. Each method has its own benefits. Find what works for you. But whatever you do, don't skip this step. Regular backups can save you from potential heartbreak and frustration. Step 2 is where we scrub those digital fingerprints. This is an essential step to ensure your personal information remains secure. It's time to remove all your personal accounts and sensitive data. This means going through each app and making sure nothing is left behind. Think of it like this. You wouldn't sell your car without taking off your bumper stickers and air freshener, right? Just as you clear out your car, you need to clear out your phone. This is the digital equivalent. Every app holds a piece of your digital life. Sign out of every single app, from social media to email to banking apps. This step is crucial to ensure no one can access your accounts. And I don't just mean closing the app, I mean fully signing out. Make sure you log out completely to protect your information. Then, go into your phone's settings and clear out your browsing history. This will remove any traces of your online activity. Saved passwords, use a password manager, and any autofill data that might be stored. And anything else you wouldn't want a stranger accessing. This includes personal notes, messages, and any other sensitive information. Alright, step 3 is the big one. The digital nuke, factory reset. We're talking wiping the hard drive clean, back to its factory settings. This ensures that any trace of your data is gone, gone, gone. Before you hit that reset button, double, triple check that you've backed everything up. I'm talking photos of your pet goldfish, that one draft tweet you're saving for the perfect moment, everything. Once you factory reset, there's no going back. It's like hitting the refresh button on your phone's life. Step 4 often gets overlooked, but it's crucial. We're talking about your SIM card and any SD cards you might have. These little guys hold a surprising amount of personal data. Your SIM card, for instance, has your contacts, call history, even links to your mobile plan. Pop those bad boys out before you hand over your phone. You can always get a new SIM card from your carrier, and it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Alright, final step. You've backed up, wiped clean. and you're basically holding a brand new phone, minus the new phone smell. Now it's time to decide its fate. You can recycle it responsibly, which is great for the environment, or you can sell it and make a few bucks. If you're selling, do your research. Find out what your phone is worth and list it on reputable platforms. And hey, maybe that extra cash can go towards that brand new phone fund. And there you have it. 5 essential steps to take before you get rid of your phone. Remember, these steps aren't just about protecting your data, they're about preparing your device for its next chapter, whether that's with a new owner or being responsibly recycled. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Drop a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.